Are you just tired? Tired of the afternoon slumps, that constant low-level stress, or just feeling not quite right? We're always told the answer is in some expensive bottle. But what if I told you the most powerful remedies on the entire planet were hiding in plain sight, right inside your spice rack? We're about to find out.
And no, I am not kidding. Just think about it for a second. Could your most powerful pharmacy not be some big building, but just one single cabinet in your kitchen? Let's dig into that idea.
Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of 3 ancient spices. And look, this isn't just some old folktale. Modern science is actually confirming what civilizations have known for thousands of years, that these spices can outperform a lot of popular drugs, and all without that long, nasty list of side effects.
Okay, our first secret is one you probably know, cinnamon. But trust me, its powers go way beyond just flavoring your coffee. If you've ever felt that awful energy crash after lunch, or you're constantly fighting off sugar cravings, cinnamon might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. So how in the world does it work, this magic? Well, cinnamon is way more than just a flavor. It's a natural insulin booster. It has this unique compound that basically mimics insulin in your body. It's like it has the key to unlock your cells so they can finally absorb and use the sugar from your blood for energy. This doesn't just stabilize your energy, it also helps lower cholesterol. And on top of all that, it's a potent anti-inflammatory, which can even help soothe aching joints.
And you know the best part? You don't need a ton of it. Seriously, just a small amount, sprinkled into your morning coffee or tea or on your oatmeal, can make a huge difference in managing your blood sugar. It's such a simple daily step toward feeling so much more balanced.
All right, on to our second secret. If you've been feeling stressed out, a little anxious, or just kind of down lately, this next spice, they call it the sunshine spice, could be a total game changer for you. We are talking about the luxurious and incredibly powerful saffron.
Now listen to this, because this is where it gets absolutely incredible. In multiple scientific studies, saffron was shown to be just as effective at lifting mood as some of the most common antidepressants. But here's the kicker. It did it without any of the usual side effects.
Let's really put that into perspective. While common antidepressants often come with a whole menu of side effects like weight gain, insomnia, or low libido, saffron comes with none of that. In fact, it's the opposite. It comes with added benefits, like enhancing your overall wellness, helping you sleep better, and even brightening your skin.
And believe me, the benefits don't stop with your mood. In a really serious 22-week double-blind study, saffron was actually found to be more effective than a leading prescription drug for Alzheimer's. That's just a testament to its profound impact on our brain health. Okay, so we've found natural ways to tackle sugar imbalances and mood swings. That's huge. But what about that other silent killer that so many of us worry about? I'm talking about high blood pressure.
And that brings us to our third secret, a wonderfully fragrant and often overlooked spice, cardamom. If high blood pressure is something on your mind, this tiny little green pod might just be the guardian your heart has been looking for. So what's its secret? Well, cardamom is packed with antioxidants that help gently relax your blood vessels, which improves your circulation. It also acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess salt and water. But it doesn't stop there. Cardamom is a champion for your digestion. It soothes the stomach, helps protect against ulcers, and some early lab studies have even shown it has promising anti-cancer properties. Just how powerful is it? Get this. In lab studies, cardamom extract was able to reduce ulcer size by nearly 50%. That means it actually outperformed common anti-ulcer medications. That is a whole lot of power packed into one tiny pod.
So, there we have it, our power trio. Cinnamon for blood sugar, saffron for mood, and cardamom for heart health. So the big question is, how do you actually get all 3 into your daily routine without it being a huge hassle? Well, that brings us to our final secret, the power trio drink.
I am going to share 2 ridiculously simple recipes that combine these spices into one potent daily drink. It's designed to help you transform your health from the inside out.
Okay, the first option is a beautiful infused water that you can sip on all day long. It's so easy. Just get a bottle of hot water, add just 2 or 3 of those precious strands of saffron, about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 green cardamom pod that you've crushed just a little bit. As you sip this through the day, you'll be gently balancing your blood sugar, lifting your mood, and supporting your blood pressure. Now, our second option is a really soothing spiced milk, and it's perfect for winding down at night.
In a small pot, just gently heat up half a glass of milk with half a glass of water. Add your 3 power spices and let it simmer until most of the water has evaporated. You'll be left with this rich, warm, spiced milk. Drinking this before bed can lead to some really deep restorative sleep while it helps your body detoxify overnight. I challenge you, try this for 2 months. The results might completely astound you.
So after seeing all of this, really the only question left is, are you ready to finally unlock your inner vitality?
These 3 humble spices are proof of a pretty powerful truth. The best medicine doesn't always come from a lab. Sometimes it's been waiting for you this whole time, right in your own kitchen.